Imagine yourself in this GMC 2018 Canyon Base. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are convenience package, preferred equipment group 2VL, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, premium audio system, GMC infotainment system, radio data system, radio, AM/FM with 7 diagonal color touchscreen, air conditioning and rear window electric defogger. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.